I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great new year, 2020 and beyond. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, please like. Thanks for your support. I do appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And once again, when I hit 200, I'm going to have a giveaway, so look forward to that. Today, I have an unboxing of a couple of items, so I'd like to share that with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, my first item is my Snowflake limited edition 2019 Pandora bracelet right here. It's pretty cool. I was able to get this, find it. It sold out on Pandora's website, but I was able to find this brand new with the tags on eBay. And that's the mesh bracelet. It's pretty nice. It holds quite a bit of charm, so I'm looking forward to using that. Alright, and then the second item I was able to get at the actual Pandora store at in Abbotsford. My husband treated me to this for our wedding anniversary on January 1st. So let me go ahead and... They didn't have the regular Pandora, you know, the ones they normally give you. It's just the white ones. They ran out, unfortunately. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what I got. And they give you all the little things here. Here's my receipt. They gave me a little box like that with the sticker. It says Pandora on it. And then it has tissue paper inside. And let's go ahead and unwrap that. And this is the anniversary one right there. It's pretty nice. Has a little heart with little crystals, and then at the very top here it says happy anniversary. It's kind of hard to see, but you kind of get the idea. Alright, and then we stopped by Hudson Bay and I was able to find some lip gloss that was close to Ginger Star that's discontinued. So I was able to pick this up. It's called Cafe Cream. It's Lancome Gloss Sheer. It's 212. And I'll just open this up real quick. And it's pretty similar to the Ginger Star that I have. Alright. So that's my unboxings for today. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Make sure you leave your comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye now.